The eggs.
Yay! Amayahan naman niyo. Hi, I'm Ellie. We're baking. Mommy, okay.
What's that?
Brownies.
Yeah, you put on the side also.
I'm going to bring the sides. It's like our friends.
Yeah, it's our friends.
Yeah, our
Okay.
and my
then-
friend is here and your friend is here. You put the egg now.
You put. Okay, I will put this for you.
You do this one, I will do this one.
You put the eggs this time.
No, you shouldn't put it because my hand might be oily.
It's like you can wash. Here, you put this one, the eggs.
Many?
Yeah.
100? 100?
Yeah, 100.
Let's see. There's a no. And hide. Hide. And hide.
Okay. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Can you do it now? You have your oil. That one on the right, that's your oil. Then the one with the big top, that's your water. Okay? So the box says you put the powder.
One?
Yes, put it everything in the bowl.
Why?
Because the box told you to put it everything in the bowl.
It's just one only.
Yeah, put everything, go!
100?
Yes, 100!
Yes, I knew it.
You put the eggs. 2 eggs.
And this one.
And then another
Hello.
one. Yeah, it's really like oh the eggshell. Okay, get this one first. Okay. Okay.
You want this? Can I put it like this?
Yes. Okay. We're gonna put it up there. Oops. Can you stay in the middle? Okay, there. And then you put the oil.
Oh yeah, and water for me. Don't hide.
Okay, one by one. That's the oil.
What's oil now?
Sure.
It's a leaf.
I mix it first.
Yeah. Do that. So if we're mixing. Do you see the chocolates? And do you see the chocolates? Done.
Done. Okay, let's put it in the blender first, okay? Okay.
Yes. Look, stinks. Where's the way going? Where's the way?
Okay, we're gonna put it here now.
Okay. They can see you. They can see you. There's something on your nose.
What? Eh. Mia, why you do that and go to my nose?
I did it.
You didn't.
Okay. I'm gonna put it here. Can you hold
Mini,
the rectangle? Hold it.
Ew. So many.
So many.
Okay. Yummy. Can I finish it? Because so many. Yaya will wash it. Maybe. Here. It's tortilla.
Yeah, you're gonna wipe that later.
Chocolates. I eating brownies. Brownie chocolate.
You like it?
Yum.
Is it good?